Okay, the notoriously camera-shy Mako 427. I have picked it countless times off camera and no times on camera. It is the most camera-shy lock I have in my collection. Roll it. Okay, I set. At least two of the spools. Pin is it that's holding me up right now? And just completely lost my false set. That's now there's serrated front, make sure I get that one picked all the way. Serrated number 6, 5 is standard. Which, by basic math, leaves 2, 3, and 4 as spools. Which I love, as long as I can feel feedback from them. Okay, back in my false set. Now, where's that pin? Okay, that was, oh, there we go, picked it. Not exactly the nicest use of a pick, using it as the tensioner, but it was picked. Now I'll get everything rearranged a little bit so I can get it for you. That should go pretty nicely. I've gutted these locks several times. They are fun locks to gut. They change angles. There's a little bit better view. It's been a while since I've done a pick and gut video. Okay, got it open. Phillips. Or slotted. Doesn't matter with this lock. Thank you. Thank you for that. I know I shouldn't be advertising, but huge shout out to Mako on one of my locks. I gutted one of their locks. I gutted it. Lost the key pin. They saw my comment on Reddit and are actually sending me a new one. Okay, and anti-bypass wafer. Sending me a new set of key pins. Okay, now where is my keys? There's my keys. Locked back up. This is of a bypassable design. It's also of an annoyance design when it comes to gutting. Due to not having a flat core. A flat back on the core. Okay. Out. Okay, Circlip, are you going to fight me as much as the lock fought me? That would not be nice of you. Okay. Shim. Looks like it might be the right size. I generally shim just kind of out of habit, as I have broken plenty of locks by not shimming. Go. Six pins, all pinned up. Chambers all pinned up. We have serrated. Another serrated. Where my darn tweezers go? Standard. Serrated. Standard. Standard. Now, pins cooperate. These shorter pins do not like this pinning cooperating in pinning trays. They want to float every which direction. But how you want them. And case in point, pin number 6 over here. Still fighting me. There we go, finally. Okay. Push him out. That's the front. And have a spool in one. Or serrated in one, spool in two, spool in three, now the spring seems to be a little soft on that guy. Spool in four. Serrated in, or standard in 5. That's that standard pin that keeps driving me insane. That one almost always is, if not the last binder, the second to last binder. And as such has driven me up the wall. Now, as far as springs go, they're all the same type, all the same size. These two Oh, there it goes. Still flying away from me. There we go. There we go. The internals of the Mako 427. I can't find where my hand is based on the key. Based on the... Yep. There we go. Mako 427. Picked and gutted.